Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create automated conversations in Landbot in 2026. If you want your chatbot to respond automatically and guide users through interactive conversations, this guide will help you build it step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Landbot account. Next, select an existing chatbot or click Create New Bot from your dashboard. Now open the Chatbot Builder where you can design your conversation flow. Next, add a welcome message to greet users and introduce your chatbot. Now insert message blocks, question blocks, and input fields to collect information from your visitors. Next, connect the blocks together to create a smooth conversation path that guides users from one step to the next. Now add buttons or quick reply options so users can easily choose their responses. Next, use conditional logic if needed to send users down different conversation paths based on their answers. Now preview the chatbot and test every conversation branch to make sure the automation works correctly. Finally, save your changes, publish the chatbot, and deploy it to your website or preferred platform. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create automated conversations in Landbot. Your chatbot can now interact with users automatically and provide a seamless conversational experience. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.